Welcome to eVision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join eVision, join job.
Hi, my name is Ruchitha. I'm from Kolar, Karnataka, and I completed my BCA in 2022, and I joined eVision on May 16th, 2024. So, eVision basically it is a recruitment company, consultancy recruitment company. So, I joined eVision under the program of job internship. So, I joined for the full time program under the guidance of 10 to 15 years experienced professionals. So I improved my technical skills in this journey. Subjects included like Windows administration, Windows Server, virtualization, CCNA, and some basic concepts of networking. So these all technical skills helps me to attend and crack the interviews in information technology and in the MNC companies. As of now, I got an job opportunity from Accenture with the package of 2.64 LPA. So finally, I used to thank all my team, those who are supported me to get this job opportunity, and also I'm very thankful to lecturers those who are helped me to enhance my knowledge in a technical skill set, and I got a very good hands-on experience with the Windows administration and CCNA, and also in a CCNA I completed almost 10 projects. So this all helps me to get hands-on experience and help me to crack the interview. So I'm very much thankful to the institute organization for this opportunity. Thank you so much.